welcome back to my YouTube channel Okay Learning. In this video we are going to solve ICSE Mathematics Class 8 chapter number 29 Graphical Representation of Data exercise 29A question number 1. So as you can see, this question says that the following table shows the number of students in a school playing 5 different games, right? We have got a table and we have to present this information on bar graph, right? Okay, so first of all, what is a bar graph, right? Bar graph is basically a graph on which we represent the given data on two axes, x and y axis, right? And we use rectangular bars to represent our data. Fine. We have, you can see, games as football, hockey, cricket, tennis, squash, and we have number of students as 200, 175, 250, 75 and 50, right? So to plot this on our graph, as you can see that I have got, right? Okay, what do we need to do now, right? Look here, right? So we will be doing a simple thing, that is, you can see my graph paper right here. We will be marking a few axes on this graph, yes, and then I will be drawing the whole bar graph on it. So take a look here, and can you see now, if I take the help of the ruler, right, and the pencil, right, and I have to mark the axes, right, x and y axis. First of all, we'll begin by drawing x axis and my y axis, yes, right? So this can be my y axis like this, right? As you can take it, as you can see it here, fine. This axis I will call it as my y axis, and the axis here that I'll be drawing, right, this will be my x axis, fine, x, y here and x here. What thing should I plot on the x axis and what thing should I plot on the y axis? You only tell me, right? So I think it is pretty easily visible that on the x axis we will be the plotting the games, yes, we will be having the names of the games on the x axis, fine. Okay, now you will see here on the y axis what will I be having. On the y axis I'll be plotting the number of students, right? Okay, so here I'll write it somewhere here, fine. So I'll be having the number of students, okay. Let's begin now by taking a suitable scale for our bar graph. What is a scale? A scale basically shows that how many units are being represented in 1 centimeter. Fine. How many things are we representing in 1 centimeter block of the graph? Okay, you can see this is 1 centimeter block right here. Fine. How many units are we representing in this 1 centimeter of block, right? Okay, so I can take the scale here to be you can say 1 centimeter, right? I'll write it here, 1 centimeter equal to 25 students on the y axis, yes, on the y axis. Okay, so now it is giving us a clear idea that if I begin from 0 here, then next block after 1 centimeter will be 25, then next block after this 25 1 centimeter will be 50, right, and then you will have 75, fine, then you'll have 100. Okay, and like this I can extend this, which I will. So now I have 125 after 100. Okay, keep on adding 25 each centimeter after, and then you'll be having 150 here. Okay, then you'll be having 175 here. Okay, and then you'll be having 200 here, and then 225. I think that's enough. We don't need more than that, or we need it. Yes, we need for 250 as well. So I'll take it till 250. Then 275. Okay, it's pretty much enough, and we can begin by plotting the games on the x-axis, each of the games. Be careful that when you plot the x-axis quantity, you leave one block. Okay, be careful with this. You leave one block after each and every quantity on the bar graph. You do not join your rectangular bars, right? Clear? Okay, let's begin. So we'll be having here first game, that is your football, and 200 people are there who play this game, right? So I'll take it on the x-axis, as you can see here, right? This box, right, this will be representing football, and I'll take this up here till 200. Okay, till 200, as you can see it here. Fine, 200, as you can see that this is coming at 200. Now we'll make a bar around it, rectangular bar, somewhere like this. See this one right here, and then you'll be having a bar over here, a line like this. Can you see now a rectangle bar is made, right? And you can write on top of the bar the number of students that play this game, 200. Okay, now write down the number, the name of the game, that is football. Okay, here you can write it down. This is football. Clear? Similarly, you leave a block or leave a column here, and then you begin marking your next bar from this part, right, from this point. Okay, this bar will be your next game. Okay, so you have to keep on leaving one column after making the bar. Fine, you may leave one bar and then you make another bar. So the next game is hockey, and it is 175. So we need to go till 175 on the y-axis. Yes or no? Yes. Okay, so what you'll be having now, see here, we'll make 175 here. Okay, you'll take the help of the ruler. Okay, and you'll begin with 0. As I said, you'll go till 175, that is just less than 200. Here 175. Okay, and here also you can make the bar. Okay, make sure that your bars are of equal width, although it doesn't matter, but if you make it of equal width, it appears beautiful, right? So you can see I am making each bar as 1 centimeter wide. Okay, so now you can write down the number of students on top of this that play this game, that is 175. And what is the name of the game? This is hockey. Okay, similarly you have to mark all the other games. We have cricket, tennis, and we have squash. Fine. Okay, so let's see what is the cricket game. Cricket, how many people play it? 250 people, right? Okay, let's begin. Let's take this again, ruler here, leave a bar, and you draw a line till 250 on the y-axis here, and then you turn this into a rectangular bar. Okay, like this, and similarly you turn it here as well, like this. Clear? Okay, this is 250, and what is the game name? That is cricket. So you can write down it here below. Clear? Then you have tennis, and 75 people play tennis, right? Similarly, you leave a block here, you go here, draw a line till 75 on this y-axis, you join them together, right? This is your bar. Quite simple ones these are. Okay, you just have to make the bar. Okay, and then you can write down how many people play this game. This is 75. Okay, and the game name, it is tennis. Fine. Then you have squash, and 50 people play squash. So again, you will take the ruler. With the help of the ruler, you will draw a bar after you leave one and make it till 50. Clear? And you just join it here, and this is 5050. This is squash. Alright, so can you see here that I have made the bar graph. Okay, I have marked each and everything on the bar graph. That is, what are we marking on x-axis, what is the quantity being marked on y-axis, the scale, the number, and the bars, of course. Fine. And friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like on this one. Till then, take good care of yourselves, and bye bye.